Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in case you're new here, my name is William Sunday, and today we're going to be looking at BTC USDT. As you can see, USDT right now it's on a downside. This is our weekly time frame. I normally do my analysis on a weekly time frame. I use the weekly time frame as my higher time frame. So today we're going to be looking at the reaction of the market here so that we'll know our entry or we'll know when to enter the market and when not to enter the market with the other time frames. So as you can see here, this is BTC USDT, and this is how the market has dropped. We are currently at 79,719. So, and here, as you can see, this analysis I did it on Wednesday, and before you know, my profit was hit. And right now, I'm currently waiting on the market to get another confirmation, which I know it will not be possible again this week. So I'm just here to tell you guys, to show you guys how I did it and how I figure out where the market was going along the week. So here is my weekly time frame, just as I said, and this is the weekly candle you are seeing right now. Here is this week candle we are seeing right now, and as you can see, the weekly candle buyers are not does not have the momentum to push the market upward. So as you can see, we are likely I'm not saying it's sure, but the market is likely to break our current support, and we can head down to this other support here. So guys, by next week we'll know what the market is really saying. The market might consolidate at this point, it might range at this point, but what we're looking at is either the market will go above our will go and break our current support, or will go to our current resistance. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours time frame. Since we've known our trend, will know what the market is saying here. Let's go to 4 hours and see how the market is reacting to our current support or current resistance. So I normally take my trades on the 4 hours time frame because I don't normally have the time always to sit in front of my computer and be doing analysis, be trading all the time. So I work and I do my trading once a week. So let's go to the 4 hours and see how it looks like. So we are in our 4 hours right now. So this is how our 4 hours time frame looks like. This is how it looks like. So as you can see here, this is the half I marked earlier. This is the half I marked earlier, and it has broken and closed the half already, which is saying that this market is really trying to come down to this other level here. Here is our current. Let me take you to let me take you to okay guys, can you can you actually see the reaction of the market? Look at the way market is just moving very fast on the 4 hours. In fact, the market is likely to come around 80 81 81 here. These are 81 line here. The market is likely to come to the 81,463 cent line here. So let me remove these lines. Let's try something. Let's say here is our current resistance, and here we have our current support, right? Let's see if the market have come to our half already. Guys, can you see this? This is one of the ways you know that this market is going to drop. By next week, the market might drop and form a double a double bottom here and try to like find its way through these balls and all of that before it will know the next phase it's heading to. But guys, for now, this is how the market is reacting. This is where it's going. By Sunday, we'll know where exactly the market will be, and by next week, we'll know when. I think by next week, Wednesday, Thursday, like that is when market mostly react. Okay, so from Monday to Wednesday, we'll actually know when the market or what the market is really saying. But if you want to take this trade, it has broken the half already. So if you want to take this trade here, actually you need to be careful because once the half is broken here, it's actually a risk because we don't know if the market will actually come to this line. We are not saying we are not the market makers. We are just here to analyze on the market and see what it's actually saying. As we saw on our weekly time frame, if we go back to the weekly time frame, you see how the market you can see how the market got rejected from here. So we'll still have the belief that after the close of this candle, the market might drop and all of that. So, guys, if you want to take this trade, you need to be sensitive to the market. You need to monitor the market and all of that. So, this is it for BTC. Let's go on to uh okay. Let me briefly go to 5 minutes time frame. Oh, this is how the market looks like. On our 5 minutes time frame, we have our current support, our current resistance here, and here our current support is being formed. It's not totally formed yet, but we have a current support here. So if you are trading on the 5 minutes time frame, here is what you should be looking at. This is the support, and here is our resistance. So in between these two lines here, if the support is broken, as we said, the market is going to come down all the way to this place, this 81,000. But for now, should pay close attention to the market. On the 5 minutes time frame, we have a lot of movement in the market. So if you if you are into an intraday trading and all of that, you have to sit on your system very close. You have to pay close attention to the market and all of that. So, and that is why if I would encourage anyone to trade, most especially cryptocurrency, because it's not something we will just hear in news like forex market and all of that, and the market will just. This one is we the market once in a while, cryptocurrency market once in a while boost if um the community behind the stuff, the community behind this stuff maybe they find their way through an influencer, or maybe speak to an influencer to be able to maybe do one or two in the market, and the market will pump and all of that. So that is it for BTC.